Hey everybody, welcome to building update number 3. Let's take a look at the progress that's been done since we updated you last time. Good morning everybody. We're on building update number 3 and they've got some framing going here. As you can see, they've worked on this for a couple days and it's coming along. You can see that the post piers that came through the concrete, that's how they connected these guys all the way around. They've added the flashing on the bottom. And they added all the middle supports as well, all the way around. And then back here, this is the rear garage door area. So I'll be able to drive all the way through. And this is the walk door, which is kind of cool. It'll actually swing in since it's so close to the home. Here's a closer look at one of the posts, and each post has 32 screws that goes into the post pier that is 6 feet into the concrete. And as we come up the post here, this steel is all commercial grade, and the buildings are rated for up to 115 mile-an-hour winds, which I don't think we've ever seen here in Tucson. Maybe close, probably not though, that'd be a bad day. But the trusses are just really cool, very well made, and this building's gonna be super solid. And I'm pretty excited. The next step will be putting the skin on the outside, and then they'll insulate everything. Another quick look at the roof structure. I just thought it looked really nice with these clouds behind it. And then there's the 16 foot by 8 foot front door. Alright everyone, thanks as always for watching along, and building update 4 should be happening in the next week or two. You guys take good care, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks.